We believed in Ukrainian innovation, even in the hardest times. Europe stood united in support. Technology became a strategic advantage. 12 million euros fueled transformation across 320 startups. Hundreds of startups accelerated their growth, from prototype to global markets, from survival to scale. More than 270 mentors shared global expertise. Founders strengthened their business capacity. Investment readiness significantly improved. Capital opportunities rapidly expanded. Cross-border partnerships strengthened and scaled. European ecosystems opened new pathways. Deep tech drove progress in critical sectors. Healthcare, agri-food, and infrastructure advanced. 45 startups completed incubation. 63 startups accelerated internationally. 80 success stories brought impact to life. Innovation connected Ukraine and Europe. Collaboration built lasting resilience. Ukrainian innovation proved its strength. Seeds of bravery turned resilience into impact.